Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily reply to a message on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up Instagram app. Then get into your DMs, and after that get into some conversation. That's a test conversation with my another Instagram account, and right here I can easily show you how reply feature works on Instagram. So let's say I want to reply to that specific message. All I have to do in that case is just hold down on that message. That gives me some extra options, and right here you can easily find that reply feature. You can just tap on that, and then right here you can put in your message. So let's say I just want to send the word hello as a reply. I'm just gonna hit add send. Actually, hello has just been automatically replaced with hi because of my text replacement settings, and as you can see right now, you can see how it works. That's my reply, and now it says you replied, and it copies the recipient message just like that. That shows recipient on which exact message you have just replied. That's how it works. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Instagram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.